So, you are a construction engineer. Isn't it a male profession?
There is no such thing as male or female profession. It's just passion. I have been working as a construction engineer for 8 years. When I started my career, it was much harder in the market than it is now. I've had to prove many times that I'm much better than my colleagues in the industry. Fortunately, I don't have to do it anymore. As the construction site manager, I decided to implement a new universal system. GstarCAD has proven to be the most convenient and efficient one. It has industrial extensions that make our work easier. What is more, GstarCAD has a lifelong license, which becomes very important when you have tens of positions lagging here. With a very high quality of work, it allows us to maintain cost optimization. Not everyone was in favor of my choice at the beginning. GstarCAD wasn't as popular at the time as it is now, and many people associated it with risk. I had to prove that it's not only my feminine intuition, but a simple, reliable calculation. But GstarCAD is not only about saving money. The program is intuitive, and its compatibility with other popular CAD programs allows our designers to work comfortably. We are a successful team, but thanks to our GstarCAD, we can work even faster and more efficiently.